Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to use GPT-4 on smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now, to use GPT-4, users need a mandatory subscription to ChatGPT Plus, a $20 monthly subscription for premium access to the service. So we need to get first, open up your web browser and type down chat.openai.com and log into your regular account. Once you're logged in, on the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see Upgrade to Plus. Tap on it. Next, click on Upgrade Plan button. Now here's the main deal. So this is where you're gonna make your payment. Select your payment method, your card info, fill every information that is asked to you in the respective field. And once you're done filling everything out, click on the subscribe button. And you're done. Congratulations. With this, now you'll have access to ChatGPT-4. Once you have the subscription, now what we have to do is open up your smartphone, open up ChatGPT, put on your email and password to your ChatGPT account, and you'll be simply logged into GPT-4. You could also change the version to ChatGPT-4 or 3 as you wish. And that's all. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.